Ngayon, unbox natin to. Alam ba ang laman itong LumiSpa. At later guys, itatry natin yung magiging difference ng face ko ngayon at later. Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Moreno here. Guys, sa video naman ito, i-share ko sa inyo ang pag-unbox ko at pagtatry ko nitong nabili ko from New Skin product. Wala natin patagalin pa ang New Skin ageLOC Lumispa. At of course, syempre may ka-partner yan. Ito naman yung New Skin Lumispa Activating Cleanser. Ang activating cleanser kasi guys, marami yung mga different choices. So ako ang pinili ko is for normal/combo skin. Ngayon, unbox natin to. Alam ba ang laman itong LumiSpa. At later guys, itatry natin yung magiging difference ng face ko ngayon at later. Dahil pandemic, hindi talaga ako ngayon nagpapa-facial outside. So, before pa kasi mag-pandemic guys, talagang meron na akong every other month or per month na facial treatment or schedule. Kaya lang dahil nga nag-pandemic, pinili ko na huwag na muna magpa-treatment. So, ngayon, inisip ko kung ano yung product na pwede kong gamitin. Kaya ito na yung product na binili ko. So, i-try natin, i-unbox muna natin kung ano ba yung laman nito. ageLOC Lumispa is a waterproof and rechargeable handheld personal skincare device. Used together with the special formulated LumiSpa Treatment Cleansers, its simulation treats and cleanses the face. Excited talaga akong gamitin ito kasi gusto ko makita yung difference sa face ko before and after use. Here's the box from the box. Benefits of using ageLOC Lumispa provide instant benefits to skin, feels softer and smoother after just one use. Benefit intensify over the time when consistently used for 2 minutes twice daily. Formulated with New Skin proprietary ageLOC ingredient blend to target the sources of aging and preserve the look of youth. So guys, ito yung tinatawag na silicone head. So i-attach lang natin siya ng ganito. So, one click. Ito naman yung part ng on and off button. So meron siyang kasamang charging stand and the charger and the cable. So ngayon ready tayo para i-wash ang ating face. Let's put the cleanser on the face. Wet our face and then let's put the activating cleanser. That's the time na gagamitin natin itong ating machine. So ito yung power button. So we need to spend 30 seconds in each side. Let's start to use this machine. So i-press lang natin siya. So ang proper way how to use this machine is by doing a broad and linear stroke. Ito naman yung tinatawag nilang 2-minute cleansing machine. So, hihinto ko kasi siya ng konti pag ililipat mo siya sa isang side ng face. Kasi it takes 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Actually guys, yung face ko kasi is a sensitive face din. Hingit din ako gumamit ng kung ng facial wash. So, ngayon, sa first try ko, nakita ko naman na okay siya. Ito na, next ulit. One face. And guys, please take note, while using this machine, avoid pressing too hard. So, nililinis niya yung ang face nito. Yung blemishes, yung dark spot, yan. Ito yung mga advantages niya. Let's see after we wash our face, the result. So let's dry my face. So after using the LumiSpa and activating cleanser, I can give 5-star. Kasi ramdam ko yung pagiging smooth ng face ko. At the same time, hindi ko na-feel na masakit siya. Kasi nga yung pinaka-head ng machine is a silicone. Kaya okay siya sa face. Deliver 7 skin benefits: skin renewal, smoothness, radiance, and more refreshed look, purified skin, minimized appearance of pores, and increased appearance of volume and density. And if you like to order this product, guys, maglalagay ako ng details kung saan kayo pwedeng order for this LumiSpa machine and activating cleanser. I can say na sulit talaga siya, at the same time safe pa, kasi hindi na natin kailangan pumunta pa sa labas. So, knowing naman yun na meron COVID virus pa rin, na hindi pa rin talaga naging okay. So, at least, hindi natin napapabayaan ng mga sarili natin girls and mommies. Alright? Guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para lagi yung updated sa mga video na i-share pa natin. Thanks for watching. Keep safe, God bless, and bye!